At 6, a Martin County mom and pediatric ICU nurse is seeking justice after a crash involving a suspected drunk driver left her paralyzed from the chest down. Rebecca Engle and her attorneys say the driver who left her critically injured has not been arrested yet. And they now have filed a civil lawsuit seeking damages for her pain, suffering, and financial burden. Jay Jarvis has more about the crash and her quest for accountability.
This accident has significantly changed the course of my life. I'm now having to be 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, cared for by my husband and my kids.
That loss of independence has been the hardest thing to deal with for Rebecca Engle after 34 years as a registered nurse.
It's just my calling. It's always been what I've done. And now to be on the opposite side of the patient bed, it's been very humbling.
These photos show the state of Engle's car after being hit by another last November.
On that night, she was coming home on Southwest Canner Highway from doing some early Christmas shopping when this intoxicated driver was driving erratically and collided with her at a high rate of speed.
She is now a quadriplegic, needing round-the-clock care from her husband and unable to go back to her nursing job at HCA Lawnwood's Pediatric ICU.
It's almost 3 months since the accident. Why hasn't there been an arrest made? We've been told an arrest warrant may be issued next week, but it's time. It's time for justice.
Engle's attorneys believe the other driver, identified as Stephen Herrera Valdez, was drunk at the time of the crash based off the accident report, his speed, and information determined from a blood draw. Now they filed a civil lawsuit against him seeking damages in excess of $50,000, but have not yet been able to successfully serve him with the summons. I spoke with Martin County State Attorney Tom Beckadal, who tells me Herrera Valdez was not initially arrested because he was also severely injured and placed in the ICU, and then a mistake filing case paperwork delayed it further.
Really just want my day in court to see Mr. Herrera so he can see what he has done to me and to my family. I feel he needs to pay the price for this.
And the Martin County State Attorney tells me that there is a hearing scheduled next week in this case to hear testimony from Engle investigators and witnesses to potentially bring forth criminal charges against Herrera Valdez. In Stuart, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.